This is the second lesson on the American T, and today we'll talk about the soft, flap T, as in the word sitting, sitting. The soft or flap T appears between two vowels in an unstressed syllable. It is spelled with a T or a double T, but is pronounced as a short, very soft D. D, sitting, sitting. It is not a regular strong D, sitting, sitting, but flapped, d, with lots of air, sitting. Let's imagine that the air is moving the tongue, and the tongue cannot stop it, but can only lightly interrupt it by touching the upper palate, quickly, sitting, sitting, writing, attitude. Some may even say it sounds like a short flipped R, like in Spanish. Pero, sitting. Try it. But ultimately, it doesn't matter what you call it, a D, an R, or a T. This is the sound and quality that you're looking for. Sitting. Let's practice in some more words. Betty, not Betty. Betty. Photograph. Photograph. Better. Letter. Greater. Cutting. Totally. We also flip the T when it's between two words, only if it's between two vowels as well. Since we connect words in English, it behaves as if it's in the same word. Get it. Get it, not get it. Get it. Out of here. Out of here. But it's okay. Start it over. Start it over. Start it over. Gotta go. I gotta go. What am I gonna do? What am I? What am I gonna do? Of course, everyone will understand you if you use the regular T. Sitting. Get it. However, using the flap T will help you sound more natural, will smooth out your speech, and will help you connect sounds together, and will improve your flow. Get it?